Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us now begin solving this step by step. Step 1 concept: the stability of resonance structures is judged by I. Completeness of octets, 2. Minimization of formal charges, 3. Electronegativity matching of charge placement, and 4. Minimization of charge separation. Step 2 evaluate structure IHC is equal to O or no formal charges. This is the actual Lewis structure of formic acid. All atoms have complete octets, there is no charge separation, and no formal charges exist anywhere. This is the most stable resonance contributor. Step 3 evaluate structure 2. HC is equal to O plus H. With O, there is charge separation, positive on oxygen, negative on oxygen. A positive charge is placed on the more electronegative oxygen atom, C is equal to O plus H, which is unfavorable. Charge separation itself reduces stability. This is less stable than I but has some stabilization from the C is equal to O pi bond and the negative charge being on electronegative oxygen. Among charged structures, placing plus on O is bad but the overall conjugation gives it moderate stability. Step 4 evaluate structure 3. HC plus with O and O carbon bears a positive charge. An electronegative carbon bearing plus is somewhat unfavorable, but carbon is less electronegative than oxygen. There is charge separation. The positive charge is on carbon rather than oxygen, which is slightly better than having plus on oxygen if we consider electronegativity, but carbon octet is incomplete, carbocation. This is less stable than I and 2. Step 5 evaluate structure 4, HC, with O plus and O carbon bears a negative charge and oxygen bears a positive charge. Positive charge on the more electronegative atom, oxygen, is very unfavorable and placing. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.